वेल वो कहते हैं शादियां ऊपर वाला बनाता है, जोड़ियां ऊपर से बन के आती हैं। The only thing that we as humans can do actually find our soulmates। और ऐसा लगता है कि this popular नामचीन comedian has actually ended up finding their better half or better to be called अपने दूसरा हिस्सा यानी कि उनका soulmate। और उन्होंने इसी soulmate को पाने के बाद अपने रिश्ते को मुकम्मल किया, कर ली उनसे शादी। While it was an intimate wedding around for 20 guests, but that was not definitely no death or no fun entertainment। And ये कहना सही होगा कि सुगंधा मिश्रा and Dr. संकेत भोसले की wedding is currently one of the most talked about weddings in the Delhi town। Well, हमारे हाथ लगी हैं कुछ खास अनसीन तस्वीरें उनके शादी की festivities से, and believe us when we say that you really can't afford missing these adorable or worthy pictures that will actually melt your heart into millions of pieces। Beginning up the ultimate Varmala moment, while the couple made their official Mr. and Mrs. announcement with their Varmala image, Sugandha wittily wrote, "Your life, my rules." While the couples got their goals pretty much perfectly right. The next one, the kiss of love. While a lovely moment of Sanket kissing on Sugandha's forehead captured here in this picture, the couple revealed that they had been postponing their wedding and wanted to tie a knot last year, but the lockdown played a complete spoilsport। Well, इसी कारण now they got married in Jalandhar on April 26th, that's just merely few days ago। The next one being setting priorities pretty right। Well, who said that the bride and groom have to stay hungry and smile throughout the wedding? Well, honestly, खाना प्यार है। Well, food comes first as the couple got caught candidly while they were savoring some of the yummy delicacies from their own shadi ka functions। The next one being fun haldi scenes that they enjoyed to the core। Well, the haldi ceremony was definitely a riot, as you can see that the bride and groom smeared in haldi are a picture that you really can't miss watching। The couple made an official announcement of tying a knot just a week before the D-Day। How the relationship actually began for Sugandha and Sanket, if you may ask? Well, it was their dating rumors doing rounds that made them actually think about taking their friendship to the next step। Sugandha ने एक leading portal से कहा था, "I still remember when the first time news report about our link-up came out 3 years ago. Our families got to know, and after that they were just after us, that if that rumor is true, they wouldn't mind, and they kept persuading us." The next one being the wedding planning. While the couple took utmost care to follow all the protocols owing to the pandemic, they made sure that all the guests got tested prior to this wedding, and they tied a knot in a complete bio bubble। Sugandha even did her wedding shopping online and had started planning from December itself। Well, quite the smart move, we should say, Sugandha। The next one being the utmost important thing in a wedding, that is twinning during their engagement, or one of the most important functions। Well, for the engagement ceremony, Sugandha and Sanket wore yellow outfits, while Sanket wore a bangla. She wore a yellow and a pink lehenga with long trail of dupatta, and honestly the two of them looked utterly gorgeous, complementing one another। Last but not the least, from Sugandha's mehendi ceremony. Well, honestly, Sugandha ka mehendi ceremony was one of the most talked about things in the current times। Sugandha chose an olive green embroidered lehenga, and she looked absolutely beautiful as she flaunted her henna hands। Groom Sanket was the first one to share a glimpse of his bride as he was caught on a video call enjoying their last moments as bachelors just before the wedding day। Well, हम सिर्फ सुगंधा और संकेत को उनके इस नए जर्नी पे, उनके इस न्यू सफर के लिए गुड लक एंड कंग्रेचुलेट विश कर सकते हैं। सफर के लिए गुड लक और कंग्रेचुलेशंस विश कर सकते हैं। आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में ये बताना ना भूलिएगा कि ये अनसीन तस्वीरों के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है। कैसा लगा सुगंधा और संकेत की शादी की ये खास झलकी देखकर। Until then, stay tuned to TeleChocker for all the more updates for the Tele world। Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to TeleChocker's YouTube channel। Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos।